welcome to the riot. Come on, surrender to the blinding lights. No one's gonna sleep tonight. Welcome to the riot. I'm the Bangaranga, Bangaranga, Bangaranga. I'm the Bangaranga, 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 Bangaranga. I'm the Bangaranga. Blinding lights. Welcome to the riot. I'm the Bangaranga. I'm a demon, I'm a psycho, for no reason. I'm a mover, I'm a teaser, I don't follow, I'm the leader. Let me hype you up, let me hype you up. I'ma let you get so hooked, I'ma leave you shook. Come on, surrender to the blinding lights. No one's gonna sleep tonight. Welcome to the riot. I'm the Bangarang, Bangaranga, Bangaranga, Bangaranga. I'm the Bangarang, Bangaranga, Bangaranga, Bangaranga. I'm the Bangarang. Blinding lights. Welcome to the riot. I'm the Bangarang. I'm the Bangarang. I'm the Bangarang. Close to the edge, I can feel it inside. Bodies and bodies and sparks about to fly. I'm about to lose my mind. I'm the Bangarang, Bangaranga, Bangaranga, Bangaranga. I'm the Bangarang, Bangaranga, Bangaranga, Bangaranga. I'm the Bangarang. Blinding lights. Welcome to the riot. I'm a rebel, I'm a danger, I'm a mover for freedom. Let me light you up, let me light you up. Come on, let me put you in so deep. I'ma leave you weak. I'm the Bangarang. I'm the Bangarang. I'm the Bangarang.
This dance is called Bangaranga, choreographed by Gary O'Reilly and Maggie Gallagher. It's a 96 count, one wall, high intermediate level line dance. The dance sequence is wall 1, 96 counts, take 1, 32 counts, wall 2, 96 counts, wall 3, 64 counts, restart. Wall 4, 32 counts, take 2, 4 counts. Ending Bangaranga sections twice, 32 counts. Now let me go over the dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, quarter turn left, lunge to the side, hold 1 count, facing 9, rolling turn to your left, quarter turn left forward, half turn left back, quarter turn left side, sweep your right, cross side. Section 2, right foot behind, sweep your left, left foot behind, quarter turn right, right foot forward, facing 12, left foot forward, hold, walk forward, right, left. Section 3, right foot, long step. Side, drag your left, left foot, back, right foot cross, quarter turn right, step left foot back and swing your right foot. Continue, quarter turn right, walk forward, right, left. Now you're facing 6 o'clock. Section 4, right foot, walk, hold, left foot, walk, hold, right foot, forward, pivot half turn left facing 12, walk forward, right, left. This is the end of 32 counts on wall 4. Section 5, Section 6, Bangaranga sections. Section 5, touch right ball forward, swivel right heel out, in, weight on your right. Touch left ball forward, swivel both heels out, in, weight on your left. Touch right ball forward, swivel right heel out, in, Weight on your right, touch left ball forward, swivel both heels, out, in. Weight on your right. Section 6, walk back, left foot back, fan your right foot back, fan your left foot back, fan your right. 1/8 left, coaster heel. Right foot back, 1/8 left foot together, right heel forward, hold, facing 10-30. Then flick both hands twice, flick, flick. Section 7, 1/8 left, lunge to the side, hold, facing 9, rolling turn to your left, quarter turn left forward, half turn left back, quarter turn left side, sweep your right. Cross side. Section 8, right foot behind, sweep your left, behind, quarter turn right, right foot forward, facing 12, left foot forward, hold, walk forward, right, left. This is the end of 64 counts on wall 3. Section 9, 1/8 right foot forward, facing 130. Diamond half turn to your left. Left foot cross, 1/8 left side, 1/8 left back, facing 10-30. Back, 1/8 left side, 1/8 left forward, facing 7-30. Walk forward, left, right, left foot, step, lock, step. Section 10, right foot, rock forward, recover, back, lock, back, left foot, rock back, recover, forward. Section 11, right foot forward, facing 7-30. Diamond half turn to your left. Left foot cross, 1/8 left side, 1/8 left back, facing 430. Back, 1/8 left side, 1/8 left forward, facing 130. Walk forward, left, right, left foot, step, lock, step. Last section, right foot, rock forward, recover, back, lock, back. 1/8 left, left foot, rock back, recover, forward. Now you're facing 12 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 hold 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me go over take 1. Take 1 has 32 counts, facing 12 to start. Section 1, starting with right foot. Touch your right, hold. Quarter turn right, step right foot side. Touch your left, hold. Left foot together, point right foot to the side, hold. Right foot together, point left foot to the side, hold. Section 2, right foot back, pop your right knee, hold. Right foot back, pop your left knee, hold. Left foot big step, back, drag your right foot, rock back, recover. Section 3, step right foot forward, angle body to the left, hip bumps, forward, back, forward, hit your left, and angle body to the right diagonal. Step left foot forward, angle body to the right, hip bumps, forward, back, forward, hit your right, make a quarter turn to your left facing 12 o'clock. Section 4, step right foot side, hip bumps, right, left, hold. Step left foot to the side, hip bounce, left, right, left, hold. This is take 1 with the counts. 1 hold 2, and 3 hold 4, and 5 hold 6, and 7 hold 8. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 hold 4, 5, 6, 7 hold 8. Now let me go over take 2, 4 counts. After wall 4, 32 counts. Right foot, rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. With the counts 1, 2, 3, 4. Then connect to ending. Bangaranga sections twice, 32 counts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, hold 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Ending. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.